testimonials, organic testimonials from people who have taken the NMN concoction. So this one actually is our first testimonial from our patient. And this consumer actually is a 46-year-old nurse. Since she is patronizing the NMN for quite a long time, she was asked to tell her experience about the product and if the product incurred any changes that she noticed.
Since ma-introduce sa akin ang DefiAge, in 1 week lang, na-notice ko yung nag-improve yung pagtulog ko, which is my number one problem. Kumbaga late sleeper ako. And then after another week, napansin ko naman na mas nag-glow. And I compared my other picture doon sa before picture ko, malaki yung improvement niya sa pag-glow ng skin ko at the same time yung anti-aging effect. Mas nag-improve yung pag-iisip ko kasi before parang ang bilis ko makalimot. Kung saan ko naipato yung susi, minsan di ko na maalala. So, ang laking tulong niya para ma-improve yung overall health ko. Napansin din ng anak ko, sabi niya, "Ma, your hair is so healthy now." Pag tinatouch ko yung hair ko, napaka-shiny niya. And then, di ba, normally kapag color and treated yung hair, sobrang dry niya. Ngayon, ang healthy niya pag hinawakan tayo, hindi na siya breezy. Tapos, yung bunso ko, pag hinahawakan niya yung hair ko, tuwan-tuwa siya. "Mama, I like your hair so healthy."
She mentioned that her skin was glowing as compared before. It's because NMN was proven to have decreased melanin production. She mentioned that she had changes in terms of his thought process, memory, as well as her skin. Her hair was also more robust and more flowy as compared before, which appeared dry. DefiAge, with its NMN around 15,000, has a biohack supplementation and a unique concoction in addition with other ingredients such as resveratrol, EGCG, trimethylglycine, spermidine, and bioperin. It has a role in cellular metabolism and apoptosis, as well as aging, DNA repair, gene expression, and neuroinflammation to prevent any neurodegenerative diseases.